Good morning. I'm just admiring my small garden which I started working on last Sunday. And ngayon masakit ang katawan ko. Kasi I repotted the plants. Pinalitan ko yung mga soil. And not just this part, yung mga iba pang nasa loob. Binuhat ko yung mga paso. And hinaloan yung soil ng ipa and fertilizer or organic soil. So I'm happy. Nakaka-relax siya. I'm happy with the works of my hands. And it reminds me of the lesson that I'm supposed to share with everybody. And I was thinking of sharing with all of you yung missing link kung paano tayo nag-evolve from animals into human beings. Alam ko ang daming naguguluhan dyan kasi there are many stories of how the first humans came to be. But then there are evidences that we came or we evolved from animals. And that's true. We cannot deny that. Talaga namang sa simula, walang laman tong realm na to. Right? And then, nung na kompleto na yung elements niya, earth, water, wind, fire, diba? Nagsimula ng mabuhay, magkaroon ng living things from bacteria, from single-celled organisms, hanggang sa, yun nga, nagkaroon ng plants, and then iba-ibang klaseng animals, nagkaroon pa ng ice age, nagkaroon pa ng dinosaur period, and yan nga yung reptiles na, and then dumating na yung apes, and then from apes nanggaling ang humans. So paano nangyari yun? But we're not alone in this realm. There are light beings na mas advanced sa atin. And they saw yung potential ng realm na to to create a beautiful physical world because of its resources, and yun nga, mayroong mga creatures na kumpleto. May paa, may kamay, kompletong faculties. May pag-iisip na pwedeng magamit to create beautiful things. And ang intention talaga is to create a heavenly physical realm. So, what they did was they altered our DNA. So, we started na parang mga animals lang, mga apes, na we have our families. Well, we have our families. Ang nasa nervous system lang na patterns natin ay to survive, to multiply, to expand. So, mostly animal instincts. Yun lang, mabuhay, dumami. Ganun lang kasimple. Mabuhay. So, kumain, matulog. And, nakita ng higher beings yung potential na instead na ganun lang, mabuhay lang tayo sa simple patterns. They altered our DNA and gave us higher consciousness. Yun yung sinasabing may binigyan tayo ng capability to think more in depth at break ng patterns in our nervous system and create more beautiful and better ones. Okay? There's nothing wrong with this. Yung pag-change ng DNA natin. We do this all the time. Sa mga vegetables natin, sa animals, we alter the DNA so that we can yield more fruits, better quality. Yung mga animals natin, mas maganda rin yung breed. And tayo mismo sa tao, di ba? And we want to alter our genes. Halimbawa, dark skin tayo. We intermarry with somebody with fair skin so that ang lumabas na offspring natin ay maybe a mix na, not too dark, not too light, pero result na ng paghalo ng dalawang DNA, dalawang genes, right? So, nothing wrong with this. Hindi ito masama. Maganda yung intention ng higher beings when they altered our DNA. There are records of this. Even in the scriptures, they mention of this when they said, angels, higher beings, found the humans beautiful and they had sexual relations with them. Right? So, beautiful there may not be yung sa physical lang, kundi kita nila yung potential ng tao to create, and kung lalagyan ng higher consciousness, mas maganda pa yung makakreate ng mga tao. So, that's the missing link. Mukha lang missing because we're not fully aware of it. But, nandyan lang siya, hidden in plain sight. Nasa mga records natin na our genes were altered so that we can create what is above here in below. So the intention was really pure, maganda when they did that. And in the initial stage, ang ganda naman talaga ng mga na-produce ng humans with their hands and their higher consciousness, diba? Yung mga lost cities natin na ngayon na nadidiscover na sobrang gaganda na hindi makapaniwala tayo na we were able to create those cities with with very minimal resources at that time, right? So yun nga lang, something happened along the way. Yung mga patterns natin sa nervous system na magaganda nung una, napalitan because of our attachments sa ating mga create, sa ating mga experiences. And yan ang babalikan natin ngayon na lessons. In the succeeding days, we will discuss paano tayo nagkaroon ng attachments or what we call blockages in our nervous system, in our energy, and the steps kung paano natin maaalis ulit yung mga toxic patterns na yun at maibalik ang ating natural heavenly patterns. Okay? Meanwhile, have a good morning. I send you love, light, peace.